All right, this is a general overview of Canva. It is a free platform that allows for easy collaboration and it has many free features um, to inspire some creativity. So, first thing, a great feature about Canva is that it allows for teams. So you can work all on one single poster together and share creativity that way. There are different ways to do this. There are two ways to add team member. So you can copy the link that is provided, and whoever clicks on the link will have access. Or you can go through and enter people's email addresses. There is no Whitewater autofill. They do not know the list of everyone's emails. They do not have a backlog, so you will have to type in the full emails and all that. Uh, Pros about Teams is you have a quick link to access. You only have to share the document with the team instead of each individual name. And then you have convenient team workspaces. So you can create groups within the teams, you can add things to them. A con is that when you are sharing different items of information, you have to make sure you specify on each document um, that it shares to them. So once you create a document, it does not auto share. Um, so you can keep your work separate from your team, but if you do want them to see it, just they will automatically be up there and be an option that can view, um, which then turns back into a pro because you do not have to type in everyone's name or go searching. It is just right there, right in the beginning, um, just in the little share area. So the one thing available on Canva is they have their own docs. This is just some of their own pros that they have listed. So with their plus button, uh, you can just add new beautiful things. Um, so docs typically can then be used for meeting agendas, thank you letters, and you can kind of put your organization's flair and personality for it all. A bit easier to work with than Google Docs, and you can move around in the free space. They do have a magic write, so you can get that. They do have AI available on their site. You can create designs without leaving the page. It's all in one spot. You can embed your design by copying and pasting. You can add emojis to your document. And then, of course, invite your team to collaborate. Um, and then docs are easy to modify and it allows for multiple pages in the project as well. This is kind of just what the start page on docs look like. Um, And then after that, we have Whiteboard, which is kind of just like a free open space where you can make a bunch of different uh, things. So it's a free open space to brainstorm and easily edit photos. It can help you make charts and graphs and help with the flow. You can make checklists on this area. They do have little check features, so you do mark a check with the box. You can also add a timer on the whiteboard in case you need one for any event. It's easy, it's quick to pull up. You can fill the space with photos and make a type of mood board or project inspo. And there's so much more to help you get ideas going, and it's just an open space to help organize or just put everything on your brain into one space. And these are just a different things that are loved by people in teams. It also adds a free little sketch area. You can put little post-it notes on the board. It's like a basic whiteboard. Um, After that, you can also do presentations. The current presentation is actually on Canva to show you that it's not much different. There are pre-embedded fun dynamic templates that you can go through instead of having to go to a second party website like Slides Go. It is right here on the site. Um, there are built-in graphic transitions if those are your style. And if you click on a template that kind of fits what you want, it will select similar ones. So you might find one that you really like, and then by going through that one, clicking on it, you can find one that is absolutely perfect for what you are trying to show. Um, for a lot of these applications, they do have a mobile-centric template as well. And then they also have social media opportunities. They have a lot more because there's so many different things. They have different templates available for Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, X, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, and more, because a lot of these can cross over. You can edit and create all in one space. Um, so there's a lot of pros and cons to Canva itself. Uh, Pros are the pre-designed and pre-sized templates for a variety of projects, so you don't have to worry about them being the wrong size. There is an AI photo generator right in on the website to help you uh, create the photo you can't find. Pro It allows both phone view and desktop view for more user-friendly, so you can prioritize how you want this information to be seen. And cons. Some of the fun designs or fun elements are behind a paywall wall. Everything is free, but if you want the extra bit, um, they have the yearly subscription, and then there's the monthly one. The yearly one is $300, and then monthly is $29.99. Um, but and you get 5 accounts basically. So if you're working in a team of 5 and you all really want to get it, then you can. But some of the fun things like the background remover, or you can make your own brand kit. So you can have your logo and your own font and selected colors. So you can always work with those items. Um, and Dolly is the name of the AI system used on Canva, and it is limited. You get 25 monthly usages. So if you're trying to make a bunch of AI photos, just know it is limited for free monthly usage. Um, but that is just per person. So, and then these are a bunch of the free designs they have. So you can pick any of the themes, you can see it change in real time. Um, you can use elements like these, and you can put the little flair to make it yours. Choose different images, uploads, elements. Um, Under uploads, it will save all of the images that you pasted onto slides. And it uploads new files, and you can record videos in the app. And then once again, Dolly is the AI system. And I did use all my credits because it is so fun to try and use AI. Yeah, it will stockpile like recently used items so you can go back and quickly see them. Um, but then, but now go about and create your own adventure on Canva.